The general is here again. Always remember to keep it simple. Human frailty is no excuse for no performance. No time for foolishness. Child, I have no time to feel sorry for myself. I'm taking off my slippers right now, putting on my boots. Remember, nobody is going to give you something you've not earned. Even the things that you deserved, if it's not properly and rightfully negotiated, you will not get it. I've listened to all your excuses. They are very valid, but let me remind you, those excuses are tools of incompetence, used to build bridges to nowhere and status of nothingness. Arise, go forth and conquer. No time for foolishness. Stop laughing. Take note, do not eat. Stay nimble and stay connected.